Hello everybody and welcome to Boilermaker Kal 101. This is where I take you guys through a journey into the world of boilermaking, welding and metal fabrication. On this first video, we are working on a 500 diameter pipe which I am cutting to build a lateral. Okay, I'm using a power tool and this is a 9-inch grinder. Okay, I'm working on the stub of the lateral. Remember, when you're doing work like this, to always wear proper PPE. Make sure you wear a flame retardant overall, iron-tip boots, gloves, earplugs, and a face shield. In this instance, I am using my welding helmet because I prefer it. Okay, you need to make your line first, your marking on the pipe, and then you do not force the grinder. You gently make your line as you weaken the metal, and then you penetrate it. Okay, we are working on a roller. And there is an assistant to turn the pipe as I cut. Notice how I do not force the grinder. Also make sure that the grinding disc is secure to the 9-inch grinder. This is actually site work, by the way. This is a galvanized pipe. Okay, there you have it. One section of the stub has been cut. Make sure to clean the burr and sharp edges when you're done. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for lots more upcoming content as I take you into the world of boilermaking, welding, and steel fabrication. See you on the next one. Bye.